Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon from here, from wherever you're watching me. Good afternoon from here. Today is 4th of June, 2025. My name's Engineer Chukuma Samuel. I want to please address this trending issue which has been going on social media for some days now, which has to do with uh, the land acquisition by Zion Ministry, led by our own humble brother, Evangelist Ebuka Obi at Ngor-Okpala. And the video my own brother and friend presented at the social media, Governor Ezioku, that has to do with Zion Ministry, Imo State Government, and Ngor-Okpala indigents. Please permit me to address my people in our mother language. Ndị Igbo ya dịrị ndụ ebe ọbụla unu nọ. Dịka m gwara unu, aha m bụ Engineer Samuel Chukwuma, abụ onye Abia State. I'm concerned over this thing na-emegane for some time now. Imepe social media, mee hụghị saga, sịnọ saga. A na-agba, ndị Igbo na-agba. Ọ bụkwa naanị ndị Igbo nọ na this social blue app, social media, over other tribes. But when you open it, you see saga. Ọ ndị Igbo naanị bụ ihe mere ka amara saga. Ndị Yoruba na ya, ndị Hausa na ya, other tribes na ya, ọ bụ ihe ihere na ọsọ ndị ebe anyị ka ị ga na-ahụ a na-alụsi onwe anyị ọgụ mgbe niile mgbe saga. Now ọ ghọọ na investment nwanne anyị nwoke bụ bata South East, ime ka enyere ndị mmadụ aka, ime ka ndị mmadụ nweta ọrụ. Now this investment, as far as I'm aware, o meela ka value of land in Ngor-Okpala ga-agbago elu. Places a na-ere na Ngor-Okpala 6-7-8 million naira today were places a ga-ayọ to come and buy at 500,000, 400,000 naira. Enweghị onye na-aga ebe ahụ. Now our brother Ebuka Obi abatana na Ngor-Okpala through such heavy investment bata, instead of us support ya ka ọ succeed na ebumnuche ya, anyị abụkwara na ọwụ ịgba mgba and all that. Biko achọrọ m ịya ayịyọ onye ọbụla dị ebe ọ dị anya butuo. Let us put a stop to this. Ojigo nwayọ na-agada momentum, na-agada. Before you know it, o nwere ike ya fall out of hand. And I'm presenting myself. Let me go into it. I've already started making contact. I've spoken with my brother, Governor Ezioku, on this, and few others are involved on this very particular issue. Actually, I'm up from social media. Or have people hear social media. Can you know why how we can resolve this issue? I'm aware it land acquire when it comes to acquisition of land. And I am very much aware also na Imo State government, they involved in providing security na the program Ebuka Obi mere last year, which shows that the government of Imo State, they are one of their existence in that very particular place. I watched a video show in Imo State, and this is from the side of Ngor-Okpala. Ebehana congratulates Ebuka Obi for coming to their place and all that. A lot of videos, sometime last year and early this year. I am surprised to see this very one now trend against that heavy project. One night working with Ngor-Okpala. And I need a Igbo. From wherever you're coming from, if you're coming from Anambra, Ebonyi, Enugu, Abia, and Imo, I need a Igbo. So we should show concern when it has to do with something like this. It doesn't matter your local government or your state. In as much as I Igbo, I wofu. So please, actually, all the parties concerned, all the parties involved, to shield their soul, and let's see how we can diplomatically handle this issue. As in when things the Zion Ministry kwesịrị locally, we can handle them and address those issues peacefully without coming to social media as if we are trying to attack the young man. And I want to encourage our brother, Evangelist Ebuka Obi, not to get discouraged by the social media now. All here and all here. I also want to encourage and commend the Imo State government, heavily led by the governor, Senator Hope Uzodimma. Grab such investment within your state and give protection to the ministry in making sure that now how necessary logistics he put for that project there. All a good thing you've done, which gas stand the test of time, even when you leave office as governor, not there. It is not your personal investment. Here are investment that will benefit the southeasterners, including the south-south. Cut across the south-south. So please, we should encourage our brother Ebuka Obi, and so that other investors will come and join him and bring down our investment to the southeast. So I'm using this opportunity to call on my brother, Governor Ezioku, call on Imo State government, heavily led by Senator Hope Uzodimma, and the people of Ngor-Okpala, to shield your swords and let us see how we can come in and resolve this very particular issue so that I can happen in a trend more. In few days to come, I'm gonna make live video where I will be sitting with Governor Ezioku and few parties involved to see how we will resolve these particular issues. I've started making contact already, and which I believe by the grace of God give a very positive fruit. Nobody has sent me to do this, but because I feel I'm involved as only Igbo, as one Igbo, may feel that you shouldn't be pull him down all the time. Let us encourage our brother Evangelist Ebuka Obi. This project over here, a small project, and he has not finished unveiling all his plans towards Ngor-Okpala and the southeast in general. The other day, I watched him commission the old people's home in the same Ngor-Okpala, which is a good one. Please let us come put our hands together and support this investment and make sure that this investment will get God bless Ndi Igbo. God bless the viewers. And I want to thank the viewers for your time. And I'm going to put my number on the screen in case if you have any suggestion or opinion, because it's going to be a collective effort. Only me will not be able to do it. Just I have volunteered myself. I know a few others may also feel like doing so. So you can join, send your messages, send your suggestions and opinion on how we can resolve this issue and move so forward. And support our brother in this development over there from the southeast. Thank you very much and God bless you. Bye-bye for now.